Hello everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change your wallpaper on OPPO Reno 13. So first, tap and hold the main screen for about 2 seconds, click on wallpapers. Here you can choose classic, live and many more. And if you found the one that you want to choose, then click it. Click on apply, and here you can apply it only to lock screen, home screen, or both at the same time. Now click apply and wait a couple of seconds. Now after you leave the app, as you can see, it has changed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.